So I started collecting ideas, little insights, little 1% things. This idea will help me to face my fear and figure out my own issues, my own self-doubt, my own challenges emotionally. I learned that, right? And I learned how to, strategies for me to recruit when I was nervous about recruiting. How to bring in the class of 2017, how to bring on the class of 2018, how to face my fear in short bursts because I couldn't do it every day. I learned how to make that work. I learned how to create duplication, which is some of the things we talked about yesterday. I learned how to develop a leader. Take somebody who has potential, lock arms with that person, put them on my hip, and mentor that person. With one arm always reaching up to somebody to pull me up, and one arm always reaching down to somebody with potential, and developing that influencer inside of the team. I learned not to fall in love with potential. Some of us have lost more days chasing potential than chasing hunger. I learned that hunger was way more valuable than potential. Potential is so common, it's a cliche. They have so much potential. Yeah, but if they really engage, they do amazing. So you believe more in them than they believe in themselves. You spend more time investing in them than they'll invest in themselves. Yes, but they know so many people. I learned to let that go. I learned to release that. I learned the value of developing relationship in this business in every angle. Relationship with my team, relationship with my upline as a business person, relationship with my crossline, relationship with my company. How important as a leader your relationship is with your home office. If you consider yourself a 6 or 7 figure earner or somebody who intends to be, and you're not at the home office, not connected to any other event, not connected to some incentive trip, not trying to meet them at your convention. You go to that home office with the express intent of building relationship with the key players there. If you're not doing that at least one time a year, you're not even in the game. It's a fact. You gotta go. You gotta schedule it and you gotta go. And some of them are gonna be, what are you doing here? I intend to be a leader, so we need to get to know each other. I'm serious. How important that is. And then I learned how to develop culture. How to decide, what is my team going to be known for? Is it going to be known for speed? Is it going to be known for uplifting and personal growth? Is it going to be known for getting people to events? Is it going to be known for looking sharp all the time? What is it going to be known for? Passionate product people? What is it? That's a decision for you to figure out. Number one, to figure out, what do I want my team to be known for? Number two, how do I take what I want and make it real? I also learned that you can't duplicate everything. Some people said, well, if everybody on the team can't do it, then don't do it. Wrong. You want to be a leader? Guess what you got to do? You have to be the leader. You have to be that person that influences the group. And that means not hiding your light. Some of you are putting a bushel basket over your light because you think you need to shine it on the rest of the team. That doesn't mean you can shine the rest of the team. You can encourage the rest of the team, but you still need a leader. Take a look at every organization in the world. They need a leader. You need you to be a security blanket for their beliefs and their dreams. Because I went through that. Okay, if everybody on the team can't do it, then I'm not going to do it. Well, let's say you do home parties. Is everybody on your team going to do a home party? Nope. Well, that means you probably shouldn't ever do a home party. Well, no, that's a bad idea. Is everybody on your team going to travel and go to different cities and support different groups? Nope. Does that mean you shouldn't do it? No, of course you should do it. So there's different levels of duplication. There's different levels of leadership. And you need to allow a baseline to happen that everybody does. And then the next level for those who are willing to face their fear. And then the next. And this progression of developing people into leadership.